What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. Today's video is sponsored by Follow the Action Outdoors, St. Croix Rods, Dr. Inc, and Beyond Braid. We are out in Milwaukee yet again. It is a Tuesday. It is 1 o'clock right now. I'm actually with Casey's behind the camera right now, and then I got Justin over here. We're gonna be doing some skein fishing today. Hopefully we can land some more kings. Honestly, the ultimate goal is to get a female today. We are not running low on skein, but just kind of like I said in that last video, just like the ultimate goal is to get a female in salmon fishing because you get more eggs that way. So hopefully today's a good day. I'm looking forward to it. I'm feeling good about it. We got overcast. It is a high of 68 degrees with same being the water temp too. So hopefully this overcast brings a midday bite, and then we're gonna be fishing into the afternoon today to hopefully slap them. So thank you guys as always is tuning in each and every day, and hopefully today's another banger. All right, I'm starting with the St. Croix Triumph. This is an 8.6, medium heavy, fast action. This is the Regal, the Isla Reel, and this is the 20-pound Beyond Braid. You guys want to get any of this Beyond Braid? Cool camo color, like the feel, strong, good texture. You can save 20% off or 15% off using the code McGrath.
Coming.
What? All right, guys, Justin's hooked on.
Mama, I saw it.
Mommy?
Yep. Guys, I have a serious groin injury that I got racing Casey. I know it sounds silly, but I'm out here on a fat mama.
This is big. This is big. Go ahead, take over.
Hey, the most subtle bite I think I've ever had. I actually thought maybe my float was just going under because of waves. That's how subtle it was.
A lot of fish on the screen.
Look at the shot. I got the follow the action right here.
That's what I'm talking before we were in the shot.
Is that a mama?
I can't see the nose.
Belly didn't look like one.
I can't tell. The only issue with this spot is there's a lot of smaller bucks here. And we think they're mamas the way they fight, and then when they come up, it's just a smaller buck. Yo, you're gonna have to fly around these rods, bud. Can you get around that one? Alright, nice. Watch this net job.
That's a mama.
Stop calling.
That's a mama.
I saw it. Watch this superb net job.
Fish just got way more serious to land. Hello, mama.
Step back a little.
Got a long leader. So.
She's almost done. Almost done. Mama landed. The Port Washington captain. Right there.
Alright guys, first one of the day, nice female. Not the biggest, but beautiful fish. Skein, baby. I have more bait. It's gonna be a hot year from this point forward.
All right guys, first fish. It is 2 o'clock, so the first hour we're already hooked up. We kind of just shifted off that rock point into like this, I guess you can call it like a little channel next to the wall. But that's the first fish, first float drop, and there's a lot of fish here. So we're looking at a really, really productive afternoon, hopefully. So remember that midday bite can get a little bit tough sometimes. So when we move into the afternoon, hopefully there's a lot more active fish and a lot more feeding fish too. So, all right, we'll keep you tuned. Throw you back in the chest. All right, so I just cut these gills right here. As you can see, it's bleeding out. I'm honestly just gonna kind of dunk it. You don't really have to do this, but this kind of just speeds up the process. Puts the fish out of its misery quicker, but we're gonna bleed out. We want all the blood out of our eggs and our meat if you were gonna eat this meat, but we'll probably just give this fish to someone and keep the eggs. I don't necessarily eat salmon August and September. If I'm gonna eat them, it's gonna be like when you're catching them trolling out deep. All right, tie this thing up, be done with it.
That's a bug. This hook was damaged from the last fish too. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, guys.
Follow the fish. Are you going? If you're going, I gotta get my line out.
Yeah. Oh, God. Where is it?
Go shots, case. Here, let me do the trolling motor. Take a step back.
I don't know where he is. He's getting on that chain.
Go around, because those things go deep.
Hold on, but I don't know which side he's on.
He's on the right side.
Come back up front, Justin. Oh, you're on the rudder. You're on the prop.
Yeah. Take me around, take me around. There we go.
Come on my other side, other side. Do you feel like you're rubbing on something?
Yeah, maybe that thing. 100% on that.
Well, we can't go around that thing.
Unless you can get us close enough where I can hand it underneath the chain and have Casey grab it. It's still on it.
Flick the rod, pick him up.
I gotta try to get it underneath that chain. At least come around this side now. Casey, I'm gonna need your help, bro.
Correct? Right?
Yeah.
And nothing broke off.
Fish just popped off. Buck just kicked my ass.
Got tangled up in that, whatever, that holds the sailboat. He actually got it under that, and then line got caught in my trolling motor.
We got the line out for a second, and then the line got stuck in the trolling motor, and the fish popped off. That's what bucks do. They don't dig like the females. They go nuts. All right, guys, 1 for 2, and it hasn't even been that long, so I'm thinking this afternoon's gonna be nuts. We still got some fish coming through once in a while. So, Casey was just on.
I just got hit.
Yep, hit it. Got him? Yeah.
And I think I got that. Yo, get my other rod out, please. It's going right towards it. Alright guys, my first hookup. Saw my bobber drop. I don't know, I can't tell yet. Big head shakes though.
So they're liking that point because Casey got hit over there too.
Yeah, guys, you heard me say that. I saw my float drop once, and then it kind of came back up, and then it actually sank, and I was able to put the hammer to it. Under the thing. Grab it quick, please. I need this. If it's a mama, it's big.
It's a mama.
Casey, just put the skein down. Hurry. Heads up, Justin. Heads up. Yo, underneath the... where the baits are. Where the baits are. And your rod's in the way. Guys, hooked up. This could be my first of the day. I have not gotten a bite yet. The first float drop I got, hooked up on it. It's gotta be a mama, dude.
Yeah, dude, 100%.
If this isn't a mama, I know nothing about salmon fishing.
Is a lie.
Justin. Oh my god, dude, it looks big. It looks big. Alright, step back. This looks big, guys. It's definitely got to be a mama too. This is huge for us. Like me and Justin just said, if this isn't a mama, everything we know about salmon fishing goes right out the window.
Female kings dig, and they don't really freak out and take huge runs like a male.
Confirmed big fat mama. Rod bent, downtown Milwaukee, float's dropping. Could be the second king landed. What would this be? 2 for 4 today?
Yep, 2 for 4.
Ready? There's not. Oh shit! Justin, look over the net. Look over the net. Wow, look at the hook too. Before I even touch the fish, look at the hook. Buried. Look at that. Alright guys, big old fat mama. This is my first mama of the year.
Yeah, it is.
First mama of the year right here. I'd probably say this is what, 23 to 24? 22, 23? I can't even take you serious. All right, 20 to 22 pounds. First mama of the year. More skein, and this is gonna have some really good loaves in it too. But that is a beauty fish. Check this out. Good. Justin, what do you think?
That was sick. I watched it happen on the screen. Look at that. Look at the screen. I watched it happen. That was so cool, dude. So I saw this fish shoot up. Check out my skein. Shoot all the way down to the bottom. And then I watched it shoot all the way back up. I felt like 2 ticks on my rod. Looked back, float's gone. And I cranked it. And it feels very heavy. And it's definitely another female.
Females are biting today, Bob.
3 females today, boys.
Oh God. Come on, Justin, whoop its ass.
Give that fish. Give them all the beans. There you go. Oh, it's gonna jump. It's gonna jump. Came up to the surface.
Oh.
Limbs are cramping. It took a step down my back limb. Oh, it is a big female. Well, not big, but it's female. Just a screaming female, which you see every once in a while. Oh no, it's a buck. Little buck.
Very nice.
That was a super sick bite. If you look at the screen here, where you actually see fish, it came up from down here, up where I am, went down, shot back up, nailed it. Put up a really good fight. Almost got me to those boats again, but this time I pumped it in and we got it. All right, guys, second one of the day for me, third in total. So we're 3, 4, 5, I believe. Beautiful fish.
3 for 5?
I think so, yeah.
With 2 females?
With 2 females. And then the first buck landed. It's tough to land these bucks here because they like to go towards those boats and they get wrapped around chains and stuff. But I got this one.
Talk to me, bud.
I think I have a pretty big one on. Ripped me across the damn harbor, so we're chasing it down. Start turning this way.
Justin, make sure you don't fall in. Hooked up again. Can we land this one? That hook set was sweet too.
Yeah, that was sick.
Maybe the smaller flows your ticket.
Yeah, it doesn't take much to get the float to go down, so that could be.
Guys, I'm sorry about the audio if it's pretty loud. We're facing right in the wind right now. Pretty big.
Big buck. Buck magnet Justin back at it. Remember last year too, I couldn't catch a female for the life of me?
You already got one today though. Or just horse it. Casey, what are you doing?
Whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah.
It's like trying to eat water. Alright. Ready, Casey? Please.
Let's see it down his throat.
Straight choked it.
Do that back.
That's why my loose drag for the hook set didn't matter. Put up a hell of a fight for its size. Did not want to come up, but we got him. Look at the kipes on those things. Awesome fish. Get some pictures and we'll let this guy go.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. We finished with 4 kings, 2 more females, equals more skein. We actually went 5 for 10 with 1 coho, so 4 kings, 1 coho. Not a bad day. Casey actually is gonna keep that coho. Maybe we'll do a catch and cook with it in a different video, but that is not gonna be in this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to leave a like, drop a comment. 2 videos every single week, Tuesdays and Fridays. We are out.
Early mornings, late night cruising, up and down the Crystal Cove and through the uneasy stream. Bass fishing, Corona drinking, we're just out here catching the American dream. lay back, relax. McGrath fishing is all you need.